Day 54. Strong, push full fire. Dear Diary, today we discuss future indefinite tense. ID ga ge gi. Rule subject plus will plus main verb first plus object. मैं आऊँगी, I will come. Come what may, I will come late. I will earn money. I will never tell a lie. I will never speak Hindi. I will never hurt anyone. मैं हमेशा दूसरों को खुश रखूँगा. I'll always please others. Let my turn come. I'll see you. I'll show you. Let my turn come. I will see you. Not I'll show you. Really, what I am? Negative. I won't let you go. I won't get angry. I won't let me go. मैं मुझे नहीं. Interrogative. Will you speak to him? Will you sing a song? Will you take tea? Interrogative plus negative. Won't you come? Double interrogative plus double interrogative. So what will you do? Where will you do job? Where will do MBA? Where will you get your mobile? In which bank will you get your account open? Who will come? Who will shout? Who will win, weep, laugh? Double negative. Who won't weep? Who won't speak? Who won't listen? Why won't you speak? I will sing song. I won't sing song. Will I sing a song? Who will sing a song? Why will you sing a song? Why won't sing a song? मैं जान जाऊंगी. I will come to know. Future continuous. ID रहा होगी, रहे होंगे, रहा होगा. Rule subject plus will be plus main verb fourth plus object. They will be talking. You should go now. He will be waiting for you. Won't he be going? Who won't to be going? Who won't be going? Who won't be going? Who will not want. तो who won't be going? Whether or not, चाहे या नहीं. Tear means छीनना. Now if, यदि अगर. यदि दो सेंटेंस फ्यूचर टेंस में हो और उसमें कंडीशन दी गई हो, उसे प्रेजेंट टेंस में बनाया जाता है और अगले सेंटेंस को फ्यूचर टेंस में बनाते हैं. यदि तुम आओगे तो मैं नाचूंगा. इफ़ यू सिंग. यदि तुम गाओगे तो मैं नाचूंगा. इफ़ यू सिंग आई विल डांस. अगर तुम मुझे 100 दोगे, भगवान आपको 1000 देगा. इफ़ यू गिव मी 100 रुपीज़, गॉड विल गिव यू 1000 रुपीज़. इफ़ यू कॉल आई विल कम. इफ़ यू स्पीक हिंदी आई विल बीट यू. If I pass, I will distribute sweets. If you sit silently, I will give you chocolate. If you ask for milk, I'll give you kheer. If you ask for Kashmir, I will tear you. What have you taken me for? तुमने मुझे क्या समझ कर रखा है? So today we are done. I practice daily. I speak confidently and courageously. Even sentence I speak makes me stronger. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Like this, day 54 complete. Comment and speak aloud. Keep the energy high.